Welcome back to another episode of our motivational audio series with Tony. Today we're going to explore 5 empowering daily habits to cultivate inner strength and confidence. In our journey through life, it's essential to cultivate habits that empower us and help us become the best version of ourselves. While everyone has their own unique challenges and struggles, it's important to focus on building strength and confidence rather than dwelling on weaknesses. We will explore 5 daily habits that can help individuals develop inner strength and overcome feelings of submissiveness. By incorporating these habits into your life, you can embark on a transformative journey of self-improvement and personal growth. Embrace self-reflection and self-awareness. The first habit to cultivate is self-reflection and self-awareness. Take time each day to pause, quiet your mind, and reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Understand your strengths and weaknesses, acknowledging that we all have areas where we can improve. By fostering self-awareness, you gain a deeper understanding of yourself and can make conscious choices that align with your values and aspirations. Practice assertiveness and healthy boundaries. Developing assertiveness and setting healthy boundaries is crucial for building inner strength. Recognize that your needs and opinions are valid and deserve to be heard. Communicate assertively and respectfully, expressing yourself with confidence and clarity. Establishing healthy boundaries ensures that you maintain a sense of self-worth and protect your emotional and physical well-being. Pursue personal growth and lifelong learning. Weakness is not a fixed state, but an opportunity for growth and improvement. Embrace a mindset of continuous personal growth and lifelong learning. Set aside time each day to engage in activities that challenge you intellectually, emotionally, or physically. This could involve reading books, attending workshops or webinars, taking up a new hobby, or acquiring new skills. The pursuit of knowledge and personal growth enhances your self-confidence and expands your horizons. Cultivate physical and mental well-being. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is an integral part of developing inner strength. Engage in regular exercise, eat a balanced diet, and get sufficient rest and sleep. Prioritize activities that promote mental health, such as practicing mindfulness, meditation, or journaling. Nurturing your overall well-being allows you to face challenges with resilience and a positive mindset. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people we surround ourselves with greatly impact our mindset and self-perception. Seek out individuals who uplift and inspire you, who support your growth and encourage your strengths. Surrounding yourself with positive influences and role models helps you cultivate a supportive network and fosters a sense of belonging. Choose relationships that empower you and align with your values. Remember, no one is born weak or submissive. It is the choices we make and the habits we cultivate that shape our character. By embracing self-reflection, assertiveness, personal growth, well-being, and positive influences, you can break free from any feelings of weakness and develop the inner strength and confidence to thrive in all areas of life. Every day is an opportunity to embrace these empowering habits and transform your life. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. You have the power to rewrite your story and become the strong, confident individual you aspire to be. Embrace these habits and embark on a journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and personal growth. That wraps up today's episode of 5 empowering daily habits to cultivate inner strength and confidence. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends and family, and I see you next time in another Tony's Motivational Audios episodes. Remember, the path to inner strength begins with a single step, and that step starts today.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.